Hi, my name is Jen Udler. I'm the founder of Positive Strides Therapy. I have been walking with my clients since 2013, and I'd like to share with you how you too can make it possible to take your sessions outdoors. In my seminar, I will talk to you about the power of walking and what it does when you're in a therapeutic session. I will incorporate nature, walking, movement, and therapy and explain how the three can work together to help your client reach their goals. I will also share with you important information about confidentiality, informed consent, what to do when you see somebody on the path. I will answer all these questions and make myself available to help you start to take your clients outside. Every day, I am inspired to be out here because of one thing, and that is to make therapy more accessible to your clients. Some people cannot be reached in the office. Some people need a different kind of space, a more natural setting, or maybe for teenagers to walk side by side and be able to talk to somebody without the self-consciousness of an in-office face-to-face session. I welcome you to join me, and I'm so excited to share everything I have learned along my journey over the past 8 years to make yours an easier one when you decide to take your first client outside.